اطلب العلم أخي فهو درب به نور به ترقى به تحيا.
Assalamu alaikum, hello friends and followers, and welcome to our fifth video in this tutorial series. In this video we are going to assign the wall loads on the exterior beams, but before doing this let's first add this part, which is the stairs room to the roof. To add this part we insert one more story and we will be having 6 stories in total. We go to story 5 to the staircase area, then we draw the columns and the beams of this area on the 6th story. Then we draw its slab. Now it's the time to assign the wall loads. I'll start from the front side. We click on Edit Beam Wall Load. Then we insert the wall height excluding the depth of the beam. And then we write the thickness of the wall based on the dimension of the beam. Also, we have to take into consideration the openings in the walls, which represents the windows. So we go back to AutoCAD and we check the width of the window. So here it is along the whole wall. This means that W is 340 centimeters, and let's put the height of this window as 120 centimeters, and its rise from the ground is 130 centimeters. And we will make these two values as the standard dimensions for all the windows. The wall loads on these two beams are the same, so we copy this wall load and we paste it on this beam. We do the same for these two beams and we consider their openings. Here these four walls have thickness of 0.25 meters, but they don't have any openings, so we don't fill any opening information. These two walls have openings along the whole wall. Now the wall on this beam is a little bit different, where the wall is not along the whole beam. So we go back to AutoCAD and we check its width, and here it is 270 centimeters. So this means that we have an X distance of 70 centimeters. We do the same for the rest of the walls. We consider their openings and we fill the information in the opening area plus the other essential information. Now we have to draw the walls of this room. And here we have three similar walls without any openings and one different wall with an opening which represent the roof's door. So this is the final view of our building that consists of a parking, a 4 living floors and a roof. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.